Hello Year 7, in this video I will explain the next step in your essay writing process, which is creating the outline for your essay. So let's say you have done your research and you have answered all of these questions over here in all three areas. Now this is not complete yet, but it will be soon. I have Karmo's document open and I will show you what your next step would be here. So once you have answered all the questions and you have a lot of information here in nice bullet points, your next step is to scroll down and to find this essay outline here that I pasted into your document. In your essay outline, you see the parts of your essay: introduction, main paragraph 1, main paragraph 2, and main paragraph 3, and finally the conclusion. Your job when creating this outline is to fill out all of the tables that you see here. Now you see that there are two types of tables, one with key points and sources and the other one with keywords. Keyword 1, keyword 2, and keyword 3. Let's see how we fill out each of these tables with the resources that we have so far. Okay, so let's say that I want to fill out this table over here with the information about what fossil fuels are. Now what I would do, I would scroll up to my questions here about fossil fuels, and I would see where do I find some basic information about fossil fuels and what they are. Well, I see that I have two nice and good pieces of information here. Actually, really three. They were formed millions of years ago, formed from plants and living creatures, and there are three types of fossil fuels. So let's say I want to include this information in my key points down there. I would press a Control copy. I would go down to my key points, into what are fossil fuels, and I will paste this information in here. And then I would see, well, which source number did I get this information from? This probably came from source 1 because it's high up here. I think that's the most likely. So I would put source number 1 next to this information. Source number 1. Okay. And then I will do the same thing for all the other tables with key points and sources. For the keywords table, well, I would have to think, in this paragraph, in my main paragraph 1, what are some scientific keywords that I would like to use when I'm writing this paragraph? Well, this paragraph is about the problems caused by fossil fuels when creating energy. So let's see and let's think about some keywords that are related to the problems caused by these fossil fuels. If I scroll up here, I see it under the problems section. Well, one thing that I see is global warming. Another one, a good one that I see is non-renewable. So I will include these two keywords over here under the keywords. So I would put global warming and non-renewable. Okay, so I already have two keywords over here. Keyword 3 could be, just as an example, climate change. Those are all good scientific keywords. Now what this means is that when you are writing your essay, you will include these keywords in your essay itself. Okay, so this sums up how to fill out your outline. Please remember that once you watch this video, if something is unclear, please come and see me so that I can clarify. Also, I will be looking at your work through here to check how you are doing, but please check in with me. Okay, get started, please.